Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove subtitles from a video in Capcut. It's really simple and easy. So as you can see, we are in Capcut and our video is in Capcut. You can see here a video with subtitles. Now to remove these subtitles, the first method is select your video and click on the text and it will be visible. Use subtitles line here. Now to delete it, simply select any subtitle like I will select this one. After selecting it, it will show the delete option at the bottom. Just simply tap on this delete and as you can see, our subtitles has been deleted. So that was the first method, but in the case if this subtitle is not showing here, like as you can see in the first part of the video, what you can do is now here is the video and you can see here subtitles on that video. Now to remove these subtitles, what you can do is select your video and click on this edit. Then swipe it like this and you will find this option here transform. Just simply tap on it and then tap on this resize. Then you will be on this custom. Firstly, you have to select the ratio from here like I am editing video for YouTube. So I will select this 16:9 ratio. Then I will cut out this video like this and then choose the upper side of the video to cut these subtitles. Now if you tap on this check icon, you will see your video has no subtitles. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.